Hey guys, so how are you today, my gorgeous people? I really hope you've had a brilliant day. So I just thought I'd do a small haul video for you guys. I've just gone to Kmart and done just a really small haul, nothing like, nothing amazing really. It's just like all simple stuff that I just really needed. So I've had my eyebrows threaded and tinted today, and also done my eyelashes, so I actually can't put anything on my face at the moment, just because you don't want to, infect the skin and all that sort of stuff. Alright, so first off today we have, still doing that flashing thing, I hope that it's stopped now. Alright, so I got myself some Studio Primer. It's a colour correcting primer by OXX, which is Kmart's brand. I absolutely love Kmart, if you don't know yet. Alright, what else have I got? So I got myself a lip liner pencil in the colour Brooklyn, number 4. And then I got some contouring sticks. Now, I don't know how these are going to work, but I am going to do a video on how everything works and all that sort of stuff. So these are just in medium, but obviously I don't need a medium, I'm so pale, but we'll see how that goes. Also I got some illuminating drops, which I thought were quite cool, so I really hope that they work really well. It's doing that flashing thing. I'm gonna punch it in the throat in a minute. Alright, so what else did I get? I got some setting spray, just a matte finish, because I do like a matte finish. I don't really like being dewy. But yeah, so it says, prolong your makeup with this hydrating alcohol-free setting spray. Well, I should hope it doesn't have alcohol in it. Alright, I also got a matte lipstick in red, and this is in one called Celebrity Skin. And then I got some translucent setting powder as well, because I'm almost out of my other stuff and I really need it for Halloween. So for Halloween this year I am going to be Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm gonna do a Sally inspired look at one point, probably tomorrow, after I can put stuff on this face. Excuse me. Sorry, it's school holidays, so it's, so tiring. And also, if you don't know, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, please do. Also, like and subscribe. But yeah, on Snapchat, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook, you won't know, but I had a really nasty gastro bug. So, unfortunately, I had to go into hospital to get rehydrated, and that just sucked. Alright, so anyway, sorry for the chit chat, and I really hope that you guys have a great day and you like this. See you later.